Though pale and cold, we all began to blush and some even grew emotional. After all, how could one not feel moved at the sight of a puffin soaring swiftly through the sky almost within arm's reach? It looks as if he himself were moved. If there is any bird that you would like to approach and hug, it's a puffin. I bet that if they were bigger, they would be used in psychotherapy today, just like horses, cows or dolphins. I love Mr. Jacek Karczewski's stories and the way he talks about birds. I also think it's time to meet puffins in person. These birds do not occur in Poland, but I know where they can be found. The small Norwegian island Bleiksøya is a real paradise for birds and is an extraordinary nature reserve where animals go about their business in peace. Puffins are lovely birds that are eagerly observed and photographed, so we can find many photos of them on the internet. I think the classic shot of a puffin is one where a bird is holding a bunch of small fish in the beak. And no wonder, their distinctive beaks are made for such a task. During the breeding season, the birds need to feed their young, which are of course constantly hungry. To do this, adults hunt for fish, diving and catching them underwater. They can stay submerged up to a minute, but usually the dives are half as long. In order not to fly with every single fish to their hatchling and thus save energy, adult puffins, after catching one small fish, try to catch another one. Most often, one bird catches about 10 small fish, which hang on both sides of its beak, but there's a known case of a puffin with over 60 of them. To do this, you need a beak that is specially adapted for this purpose, like the puffins. It has rows of hooked spines inside, which are pointing towards the throat. When the bird starts chasing another fish, he presses the previously caught prey against them with the thumb. Thanks to this, animal can open the beak again without fear that the food for his baby will return to the sea. The presence of a piece of bird skin on the side at the base of the beak allows the puffin to open it extremely wide, and it also means that it moves on a sort of more flexible hinge, allowing both halves of the beak to be more mobile. When the birds are returning to their nests, which of course requires a lot of energy, their beautiful colorful beaks will additionally cool them very efficiently. However, not everything is clear with the beaks of puffins, and currently we wonder, for example, why they glow in ultraviolet light. After the breeding season, puffins' beaks lose their beautiful colors, which are primarily used to attract the eye of a mate. So since the birds can see in ultraviolet light, it is likely that the glowing beaks are also meant to be attractive to the opposite sex, and for now scientists believe this is the main reason for the mysterious glow. But is this true? Who knows?